Namaste children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. Today in this session number 6, we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 3 under the chapter rational numbers. Children, before going to worksheet 3, let us discuss what we have done in the earlier classes. In the last class, we had discussed about the standard form of a rational number. Suppose 64 divided by minus 20 is the rational number. Children, here the rational number 64 by minus 20 is not in the standard form because the denominator is negative as well as 64 and 20 are not in the simplest form. So, the first step what we do is we convert a denominator which is negative into positive. To make the denominator positive, we are going to multiply by minus 1. When we multiply by minus 1 in the denominator, we have to multiply by minus 1 in the numerator. Then plus into minus is minus, 64 ones are 64, divided by minus into minus is plus, 20 ones are 20. So in the first step we have converted negative denominator to positive denominator. In the second step we are going to take the rational number minus 64 by 20 and we are going to divide numerator and denominator by the HCF, that is 4. Minus divided by plus is minus, 64 divided by 4 is 16. 16 fours are 64. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 fours are 20. Here minus 16 by 5 is in the simplest form as well as it is in the standard form. Children, next let us discuss how to find x when the rational numbers become equivalent. Here I have taken one example children. X by 12 and 5 by 6 are the two rational numbers. Here it is given that the two rational numbers are equivalent. We have to find the value of x. When the two rational numbers are equivalent, how do you find the two rational numbers are equivalent? By cross multiplication. That is x into 6 must be equal to 12 into 5. Now we have to find the value of x. Keep it in the same side, left side, into 6. Send it to the right hand side. When I send it into 6 to the right hand side, it will become divided by 6. Now cancel children, 6 ones are 6 twos are. Therefore the value of x is equal to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 children. X is equal to 10. In this way we find the unknown value of x when the two rational numbers are equivalent. Children, now let us solve same type of question under worksheet 3. Finding the value of x here. The two rational numbers which are equivalent are 9 by minus 5 and x by 10. Here we cross multiply 9 by minus 5 and x by 10. We are going to cross multiply. So after cross multiplying, how do we write? 9 into 10 must be equal to minus 5 into x. Here the x value or x term is in the right hand side. So let us interchange the sides children. What do I write? Minus 5 into x must be equal to 9 into 10. I have interchanged the sides. After interchanging, we have to find the value of x. So keep it in the same side. Send minus 5 into minus 5 to the right hand side. So it becomes divided by minus 5. Now cancel children. 5 ones are 5 twos are. X is equal to 9 twos are 18 divided by minus 1. Therefore the value of x is will become, because in the denominator we have minus sign, multiply by minus 1 so that it becomes positive. Minus into minus is plus and 1 ones are 1. Then 18 ones are 18, plus into minus is minus. Minus 18 is the value of x children. X is equal to minus 18. Children, next set of rational numbers are 8 by 7 and x by minus 35. So we are going to cross multiply because they are equivalent rational numbers. 8 into minus 35. 8 into minus 35 must be equal to 7 into x. Again here x is in the right hand side. So let us take the whole term which is 7 into x in the left hand side and 8 into minus 35 in the right hand side. Now let us keep x in the same side into 7. When I take it to the right hand side, it will become divided by 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 ones are 7 5s are. Minus will be there as it is. Therefore plus into minus is minus. 8 5s are 40. Therefore the value of x will be minus 40, children. Third question is 36 by x and 2 by 1. Let us cross multiply. After cross multiplying, we get 36 into 1 must be equal to x into 2. Interchange the sides, children, so that you get the value of x in the left hand side. Let us keep x in the same side. 36 into 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 18s are. X is equal to 18 ones are 18. Therefore, the value of x is 18, children. Children, next is question number 4. X by 6 and minus 13. In the question it is only minus 13. So, if nothing is there in the denominator, it is understood divided by 1. Here we have to cross multiply x into 6, x by 6 and minus 13 by 1. When we cross multiply, we get x into 1, which must be equal to 6 into minus 13. Therefore, the value of x is 6 into minus 13 divided by 1. X is equal to plus into minus is minus. 13 6 are 78. Minus 78 is the value of x. Next question we have is check whether the following rational numbers are in the standard form. If not, write them in the standard form. The first one is minus 3 by 19. Here observe the denominator, we have minus plus in the denominator and minus 3 by 19 is in the simplest form. Therefore, we can say that minus 3 by 19 they are in the standard form. So, I write here yes, minus 3 by 19 it is in the standard form. Then we have 4 by minus 7. Here observe the denominator, children. It is negative. Therefore, I write no. It is not in the standard form. So, to convert it into the standard form, what we do? We take the rational number once again and multiply by minus 1 both in the numerator and denominator. After doing this, plus into minus is minus. 4 ones are 4. Minus into minus is plus. 7 ones are 7. So, now minus 4 by 7 is in the standard form. Next we have is 14 by 35. Though the denominator is positive, but 14 by 35 is not in the simplest form. So, what we do? We take the rational number and divide both numerator and denominator with the HCF. For 14 and 35, the HCF is 7. 14 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. So, 2 I write here. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. So, I write 5 in the denominator, which is in the standard form. Then the last one we have in this main is 8 by minus 72, which is not in the standard form. So, I write no, it is not in the standard form. To convert 8 by minus 72 in the standard form, the first step is 8 by minus 72 into minus 1 and minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. Plus into minus is minus. 8 ones are 8. Minus into minus is plus. 72 ones are 72. We have converted the denominator into positive. Now take the same rational number and divide both numerator and denominator with the HCF, which is 8. Minus divided by plus is minus. 8 ones are 8. Or 8 divided by 8 is 1. So I write 1 here. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 8 nines are 72. Now minus 1 by 9 is in the standard form. Children, next is question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Here you are given 3 rational numbers. Here are some blanks or which are left out here in the denominator and numerator. We have to fill the exact numbers. To do that, first observe only the 2 rational numbers, children. Here 2 by 7 and is equal to 8 by nothing is there in the denominator. So to fill this, what we do, we consider 2 by 7. In this rational number you are given both numerator and denominator. Then with the 2 and 7, with the 2 what you multiply, you get 8 in the numerator. 2 how many times is 8, children? 2 4s are 8. Therefore I multiply by 4 in the denominator. 7 4s are 28. So 28 must be filled in the second rational number denominator. Now consider these 2 rational numbers, children. That is 2 by 7 and numerator nothing is there. This rational number, these 2 rational numbers we have to consider. Then we write 2 by 7 is equal to, with what you multiply, you get minus 63 in the denominator with 7. So I take the same rational number and 7 how many times you get minus 63, which is minus 9, because plus into minus is minus. 7 nines are 63. Multiply the same minus 9 in the numerator. Plus into minus is minus. 2 nines are 18. Therefore here you have to fill with 18. In this way we have filled the blanks, children. Next is question number 4. Here you are given the 3 rational numbers. 2 by 7 is equal to, denominator is not given in this second rational number. In this numerator is not given. So to fill these spaces, how to find out the values of this blanks means, first you have to consider only these 2 rational numbers, children. Only these 2 by 7 and the second rational number. So here I write 2 by 7 and with what you multiply with the 2 in the numerator, you get 8. 2 4s are 8. So I multiply the same number 4 in the denominator. 7 4s are 28. Therefore this blank has to be filled with 28. Then you have to consider these 2 rational numbers, children. That is 2 by 7 and the third rational number. 2 by 7 I have written. Then in the denominator you are given the answer, right? Minus 63. Therefore with the 7 with what you multiply, you get minus 63. Because there is minus in the denominator, we have to take a minus 9. Plus into minus is minus. 7 nines are 63. I have to multiply the same integer, that is minus 9 in the numerator. Plus into minus is minus. 2 nines are 18. Here in the third rational number, you have to fill it with 18. The answers are 28 and in the numerator here 8 minus 18. So the next is there are 3 rational numbers again. Here let us consider these 2 rational numbers, first and second. When we do this, 36, first let us write which is the complete rational number given to us, minus 4 by 9, and to get 36 in the numerator, with what you multiply with the minus 4, you get 36, children. That is minus 9, because minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36. Take the denominator and multiply by minus 9 in the denominator again. Plus into minus is minus. 9 nines are 81. In this way we fill 36 divided by minus 81 here. Now consider these two rational numbers, children, that is minus 4 by 9 and the third rational number. To get minus 84 in the numerator, with what you multiply by 4, children? That is 21. Minus into plus is minus. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 21 fours are 84. Therefore 9 into 21 again, we get 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 189 in the denominator. We fill 189 here in the third rational number. In this way, we have filled the blanks, children. Children, here next third one is, we have to take the rational number minus 5 by minus 11 and consider the two rational numbers, first and third. When we do this, with what number you multiply in the numerator with the minus 5, you get 105. To find out, you have to divide 105 by 5, children. That is 21. Minus 21, because here in the numerator we have plus sign. So minus into minus is plus. 21 5s are 105. Take minus 11 and multiply by minus 21 again. You get minus into minus is plus. 21 into 11, we get 231. So we fill 105 divided by 231. Now let us consider these two rational numbers. First write minus 5 by minus 11 and with what you multiply by denominator with 11 minus 11, you get minus 99. That is 9. Minus into plus is minus. 11 9s are 99. So take the numerator and multiply by 9 again in the numerator. We get 9 5s are 45. We fill 45 or minus 45 in the numerator. These are the numbers after we get after filling. Children, today in this session we have solved the problems from worksheet number 3. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.